Let's talk about Kitchen Assistant Original Food Processor 6230 Model 1500 Watt Black. Powerful 1500 motor. 7-year warranty. Continuous speed control and overload protection. Manufactured in Sweden and sold by the UK ROI Distributor, Pure Cookshop, based in London. Variety of colors. Having seen this being used in a Swedish kitchen, and experiencing how good it was, I had to get one for myself. It features great Swedish design and build quality that has stood the test of time, having been around since the 1940s. It also has a 7-year warranty, so peace of mind when you consider the cost of your investment. If you make bread at home regularly, I would say this is a must-have purchase. It needs no effortlessly anything from 500 grams to 5 kilograms. It's very efficient, simple to use and easy to clean. I don't think there's anything else like it on the market in the UK. The big department stores and kitchen shops are missing out. Fantastic buy. We bought it for my husband and he is delighted. We use it so often. It mixes the dough perfectly and allow you to bake a lot more often, as it greatly cuts the amount of work you have to do. So happy with it. The breads and other pizza etc. are gorgeous because the dough is worked to the perfection. Why did we not buy it before?